Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for July 8 to 14, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Yan, paka-check nyo na lang kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So let's see, Libra. What's up with you this week? Ano yung ganap sa inyo? For Libra. What's up? Uy, Ace of Swords, new inspiration, new ideas. Okay? This is also communication from someone. Pwede ikaw makikipag-communicate, magre-reach out, or someone will reach out sa'yo. So, ka-clarify natin yan. What is the possible challenge? The Knave of Cups. Okay. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, merong namumuong ano rito, feelings for someone. Okay? So, this can mean, feelings mo for someone or someone has feelings for you. Kaya lang parang hindi siya ganun ka-open sa kanyang nararamdaman. Kasi parang ano pa lang to nagsisimula pa lang. Iba naman, you are starting to be creative, kaya lang parang hindi mo alam kung paano mo sisimulan yung pag-create nung gusto mong gawin. Okay, let's see your opportunity. You have the Fool. Okay, you have the opportunity to start new things, to take some risk. So, it can apply sa risk pagdating sa pag-start sa isang relationship na tipong kahit hindi mo pa ganun ka lubusang kilala, pwedeng magko-commit ka na sa person na to. That may be challenging, pero kasi yung iba, meron silang pananaw sa buhay na pwede naman nang simulan yung relationship and dun mo na lang kilalanin kapag nasa relationship na kayo. And yung iba naman, this can mean an opportunity for you to take some risk in your career, a new business, a new job, or a project na gusto mong subukan. Yung iba, kung kayo outdoorsy, no, yung tipong mahilig kayo sa labas, pwedeng magkakaroon ka ng opportunity na umakyat sa bundok, nature tripping, ganyan. And then your blessing is the Temperance card, which is patience. Alam nyo, yung patience ninyo will really bring you to places. No? Kumbaga, yung pagiging pasensyoso ninyo, ay malayo yung mararating nyo dyan. Kasi syempre, di ba, pag tayo, minsan maiksi yung pasensya natin, it can create some challenges or conflict with someone. Pero kapag mas mahaba yung pasensya natin, mas nakakaintindi tayo sa iba, mas malaki yung potential na mas mag-grow yung mga relationships natin sa ibang tao. And even, yung mga goals na gusto nating ma-achieve. 'Di ba? Yung iba, pag naubusan na ng pasensya, ay ayoko na, hindi ko na itutuloy. Pero not knowing na kung tinuloy sana nila, maganda sana yung magiging resulta, 'di ba? Whereas kung naging patient ka, one step at a time, talagang in-effortan mo, and eventually, you will see the results, 'di ba? So that's what I'm saying para sa inyo. Yung mga bagay na hinintay ninyo, talagang pinagtiyagaan ninyo, you will definitely see the results favorable sa'yo, pabor sa'yo. What is the Ace of Swords? The Knave of Wands. You are very creative. You are spontaneous. So siguro ngayong week na to, kung saan ka dalhin, no, ng tadhana, doon ka pupunta. You will not resist anything na pumipigil sa'yo. Like for example, hindi natuloy yung isang lakad mo. Hindi ka may irita. Iisipin mo lang na, kaya hindi natuloy kasi that's a protection. Pinoprotektahan ka. And then, the next day, ayun, natuloy na siya. So, ganun lang. Hindi mo siya i-resist na, hindi mo hayaan magpapa-apekto ka, magwawala ka, maiinis ka, sisirain mo yung buong araw mo dahil lang dun sa mga bagay na hindi natuloy. Okay? So, for you, you will go with the flow. Knave of Cups, Eight of Coins. Okay, I see this as a challenge in your career, your projects, your business, no? Kaya, ang nagpo-fuel talaga sa atin, sa ating mga pangarap, yung, yung reason kung bakit tayo nangangarap. Parang yung sa commercial ng coffee, para kanino ka ba bumabangon, 'di ba? So, yun yung lagi mong iisipin. Para kanino ba yan? Para sa'yo? Para sa mahal mo? 'Di ba? You have the Strength card. Oh, 'di ba? Meron kang lakas ng loob, finally, to make things happen for yourself. Okay? You have the Hierophant. Wow, okay. As a blessing, meron kang sapat na kaalaman, kakayanan, okay? To uh, to achieve your goals and dreams. Kasi itong the Hierophant is someone na marami na siyang alam eh, a very wise person. So maaring yung iba sa inyo, may blessing rin kayo of becoming a teacher, no? Or a mentor, someone who's going to share their knowledge and skills to others. Okay? So, pwedeng kung yan yung mga plano ninyo, let's say gusto niyo magtayo ng isang mentoring school or an online school wherein you are sharing your knowledge or even content creation, 'di ba? Marami na ngayon nagsishare ng knowledge nila, ng skills nila online, which is helping others. And at the same time, tutulong rin yun sa'yo para mas mag-grow pa yung iyong business, mag-grow pa yung iyong path na tinatahak, yung iyong journey. Okay? So, let's see. Ano pa? Libra. For Libra, you have Mars in Sagittarius in the 9th house, which is domination. I think ganito ka desidido, determinado na makuha yung mga goals mo. Hindi mo hahayaan na maapektuhan ka ng iba or hindi mo hahayaan na may pumigil sa mga gusto mo, 'di ba? Palaban ka. You also have Venus in Pisces in the 12th house. I think you will take care of your mental health. Ngayong week na to. Kumbaga, you will not spend time or, well, you will not waste your time, your energy sa mga bagay na alam mong hindi magbebenepisyo yung isip mo. Alam mo yun? Na tipong, halimbawa, if you are a content creator or nasa public eye ka, and then definitely, hindi lang naman lahat yan pabor sa'yo. May mga taong will say something bad about you. Hindi mo na bibigyan ng attention yon kasi alam mo na whatever they are saying is a reflection of who they are, no? Kumbaga, for you, sila yon. Yun yung reflection ng pagkatao nila. So, hindi mo na yun papansinin. You will focus on what you really want. And yeah, gusto mo ng katahimikan sa buhay. Oh. You have Sun in Libra in the 7th house, which is your energy. So, 7th house is partnerships, also connections with others. So I think for some of you, pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon, if you are in a relationship right now, mas iisipin mo kung paano magkakaroon ng payapa na setup with your person. Mas gusto mo na tahimik lang kayo ng person mo. Hindi kayo nag-aaway. I mean, normal naman na may pag-aaway but not to the point na sobrang lala na magiging reason para maghiwalay kayo. So it's about, giving and taking na balance lang. What else, Libra? Okay, you have the gentleman. Gentleman is an energy of masculine energy or a male person. Okay, so this can be you or the person that you are dealing with. Okay, you also have the Cavalier. So, Cavalier is good news. I feel like merong person na darating sa buhay mo magbibigay ng good news. Or may kakausapin ka, may meeting, and then this person will bring good news. You also have the Mice. Itong Mice, pay attention to your finances, yung iyong transactions, pera mo, kasi possible na magkaroon ng challenges, no? Kasi ano to theft, robbery, no? So, maging maingat, lalo na sa pagnenegosyo, kumbaga ikaw na rin mismo yung mag-ingat, na wag pakalat-kalat yung pera mo or yung valuables mo. May gentleman ulit. Oh my goodness. Okay, pay attention to a male person or lalaki, no? Sa buhay mo na maaring meron tong ginagawang kalokohan sa pera mo. I don't know. You have the Clover. Okay. Meron kasing swerte sa'yo. So, kumbaga, nagiging maganda yung daloy ng swerte sa'yo. And some people, okay, maaring person that is close to you, tinitake advantage yun. Okay? So, be careful. Extra careful. Love approaches unexpectedly. So, some of you maaring merong unexpected romance, connections, no, with others. So, just ano lang, kumbaga, take precautionary measures, lalo na kung hindi mo pa ganun kakilala tong taong to. So, wag masyadong madaliin. But of course, nasa sa inyo pa rin yan kung gusto niyo madaliin. Okay, so that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye.